What's up, guys? I'm Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades, and we're back in the TradeStation 10 platform. If you guys don't already know, TradeStation offers TradeStation Salutes to those who served, have served, and first responders. $0 commissions, and I believe no platform fees. There's just a bunch that you should just go check out. And the link is going to be in the description of this video, so go ahead and check them out. And if you like what we're doing here, remember to like and subscribe. Anything I say is not to be misconstrued as investment advice. All that being said, let's move on. So right now we have the windows here. Trade Manager, right? Okay, so basically as soon as this pops up, this is what we have open right now. As you can see, I've shrunk that down a lot. We do not need another one, so I'm just going to close this out. Unless you would like another one for your other charts, which would be kind of getting in the way if you don't have the real estate for that. So just going to remove that. But anyways, so that's what we opened here. And as you can see, I got this one set on orders because I need to see my orders. I need to see if they're filled. I need to see if they're partial filled. As you can see, this is quantity filled. And this is quantity. So, and you know, anyways, all speaks for itself. You got the symbol, you got the type, you got the quantity, quantity filled, filled price, limit order, duration, order status. That's important, and account alias. If you got margin and cash, that's definitely important to have there. So, and over here we have our positions, and again, this is very easy to set up. You just go into columns and you decide what you need, and we have symbol, position, quantity, average price, open P&L, total cost account, open P&L account, market value account last. Anyways, that's that, and you can adjust that as you please. And again, over here, it's the same exact feature. Just go ahead and click that, and well, I don't even know what I just did there, guys. Let's try this again. Settings, and I guess I did not click columns. So anyways, there's your columns. Symbol type, quantity, quantity filled, filled price, limit, duration, and you got the gist of this. So like I said, anything that you guys see fit that you want in there, I need to see if it's filled. I need to see if it's a partial fill. I change the colors based on if it's a partial fill. I need that stuff to light up. I definitely need to know if it is order rejected. Got to be red. You know, maybe partial fill, blue, some sort of bright color that lets me know that I got a partial fill. And you can even have it read it out to you audibly. That's another really cool feature. So go into settings here, and I believe preferences, and back down. Let's see. So there we go, right here, filled, and we can enable a sound notification. You can do cancel ordered, and it will say order canceled. Partially filled order, another one that might be really handy. The cancel order, I'm guessing you don't want to have that. The only reason you'd want to have that is if you are having computer issues and your platform might be freezing due to low RAM or whatever it is you got going on there. Then you really might want to hear that it says order canceled, because if you click order cancel and you have something freezing up on you, you definitely don't want to be thinking that your order is canceled if it's not. So anyways, we had that problem when we first started. We were using a computer that was not really up to par, and trust me, guys, we do not have no beasted out computer or anything. We have just a plain computer, and to be honest with you, got it for a really great price, got it open box and everything. So moving on from that, you can do all this other stuff. As you can see, you can choose any of these as you feel that you'd like to have. Like order rejected, definitely I want to hear order rejected, partially filled order, you know. So that explains itself, and here you go. Anyways, so we got that, and like I said, I got the SPY up here. I changed the background color. The studies, I had chose the just the 200 and the 50. This is just about the only place that I use the 50 is on the SPY chart. I typically will use my 200 EMA and 65 EMA. I don't really find much use for the 50. But it is handy for the SPY for me, and that's about it. And down here, I've got my charts linked on this side. On this side, as you can see, these are blue and these are green here. This little tab, and you want it local, because if not, every time you click and change the duration, and this is what we had going on last time. If you guys had noticed, we had this globally linked over here, and whenever I would change the duration to, like, say 15-second here, it would change it here, and likewise. So now we got it to where it's working out pretty good, and we actually need to change this one up right here for the time frame. Let's go over to the 15-second, and here's the quick trade bar, guys. I'll be going more over this when we get this thing up and going for you and show you exactly how we can, perform these tasks. But basically, here it is: buy, sell, or sell short, and then cover. It depends on which way you're going and what you're doing here. Buy at market, sell at market is self-explanatory. You can do split, or you can do ask -1, bid +1. These are very, very handy, especially split in a low flow monster. Split can really help you out. Hit is basically sort of like an intelligent algo up way that I don't know. I don't know if I could do it justice and explain it to you guys right, but TradeStation has their own way of doing. It's kind of like a market order that's a limit order, so you're not going to totally get screwed over on that. So it is something that we do use here. Not much. We try to just simply hit our limit orders with our hotkeys, or with split, or ask -1, bid +1, or just hit it on the bid or on the ask. And as you see, we got our time and sales all set up. Everything is great there. And we're going to go over next time. We're going to start putting in some of our... Actually, before we even do that, why don't I just go ahead and copy this chart right here. And let's paste a window, and then copy, and then paste. And let's move that over now. And let's take this one also. And I don't know, guys. Maybe, just maybe, we might want to put them down here. I typically don't do that, but for this setup, why not? Let's see how it works out. I'm going to go ahead and take and put these here, and I'm going to, let's see. Actually, you know what? I am going to take this one. I'm going to put it back up here. I'm going to right-click that just to be sure that I can identify the different charts here, and change the background maybe to just a normal gray for my daily here. And the same thing over here. I could have done this earlier and saved a lot of time by just copying them, but why not? It doesn't take much time to do this. So there we go. We got that set up for our dailies. And now all we need to do is, and this is one of the things that sometimes I have to go in the preferences. If these little tabs aren't working for you, or you're finding it difficult, I'll just remind you guys to go in the preferences here, click desktop, and right here where it says hide all toolbars, click show all toolbars, click OK, and boom, watch what happens. The magic is going to take place. I have both of my platforms open right now, so it's going to take a little more time. Yeah, I got my other giant platform on the other side that you guys can't see right now, and maybe we'll run that one day too. I'm probably going to change these colors, darken this up a bit on these other two daily charts. That's a little bright, but I don't know, it's good for now anyways. So yeah, we could just leave that like that for now, and basically that's it. Like I said, if you're interested in checking out TradeStation for yourself, links in the description. And I mean, guys, I can't tell you enough that TradeStation has changed my trading in ways that I never could have imagined. It is, they are the best. They're the only place for me to be. 15-second charts. I tell you guys all the time, 15-second charts. 15-second charts, we see these stocks stair-stepping down, new resistance forming, things you just can't see on a 1 minute, you can't see on a 5 minute, 15 minute. I mean, the only thing close to that I'm even seeing right now is with our new charting platform, TrendSpider. They may not have the 15-second, but their volume by price indicator, it surely shows you these exact same levels of resistance as they're forming and stuff. in ways that you can nearly tell exactly what I can tell over here with the 15 seconds when I'm looking at this. So anyways, check those guys out, and definitely check out TradeStation. We'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for joining us. Manny with Mighty Soldier Trades.
Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.